Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make rice with cod and shrimp. To make this recipe for 4 people, you'll need 1 bag of Argentinian red shrimp, 400 grams Grand Krust, 400 grams of paella rice, 400 grams of shredded cod, 4 ripe tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 green pepper, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, 1 liter of fish stock, salt, and olive oil. To begin, cut a cross in the tomatoes and scald them in a pot of boiling water. When the cut begins to open, remove the tomatoes, peel them, remove the seeds, chop them up, and save them. Next, heat a lug of oil in a pan and gently fry the finely chopped green pepper and garlic. When the pepper is soft, add the tomato. Let everything fry gently until the excess moisture disappears and the sauce becomes oily. When it's ready, set it aside. Next, sear the shrimp in a pot, season, and save. In the same pot, put the sauce, the rice, and the paprika. Fry everything until the rice becomes slightly translucent. Add the hot fish stock little by little as the rice absorbs it. Stir constantly so that the rice releases its starch. This will give the dish a creamier texture. After about 8 minutes, add the cod and the shrimp. Salt to taste, lower the heat, and continue to make sure that the rice doesn't dry out. Add more stock if necessary. After 7 more minutes, turn off the heat, cover the rice with a towel, and let it rest for 3 minutes. When the time has passed, the rice with cod and shrimp are ready to serve. Enjoy!